on the Gas Show. We back with another video. Tiny here, looking at the truck.
It's huge.
Are you gonna be able to get on or no?
No, sir.
Man, that's not no fun.
You gotta try it. You gotta try it.
It's pretty huge. I seen you stand underneath it.
It's pretty tall. It's here. Finally made it back. Perrillo. It took him like 24 hours to get here though. It was supposed to be 11 and he took
a little detour.
All right, everybody. So we got some exciting news today. We are finally gonna start working on the starter pack truck build. The wheels finally came in. We decided to go with some welds, Ventura 20s all the way around. My boy Marvin at Tires R Us is gonna be hooking us up.
The wheels are in for the budget build and for the Raptor.
I'm gonna show you guys the Raptor, the Chevy Raptor that we got, my daily driver, the sleeper. We got some wheels for it too. Now it doesn't look too bad with these wheels, which are the original wheels on the truck. And then Ice Tire actually got some 33s on the 17s. It looks good, looks really good. It's gonna look better with the 22s that we got. I don't know what style we got, but I think there's like 22 replicas, which the 17s don't look bad at all, but I think it's gonna look better with the 22s on 33s.
You know the first question they're gonna ask you is how much for these wheels?
Yes, these tires and wheels are not for sale. I'm actually gonna put them up. I'm not gonna be selling these wheels, so no, they're not for sale. Those are sold. Don't even ask for those either.
We're gonna head out to Marvin.
We have 5,600 to play with. Once we're there, we'll ask Marvin what's the price on the tires and wheels. So let's go. Yeah, let's roll out. You fit in here, Tiny?
Yeah. Big, but
he's big, but not that big. Tiny used to have a truck, a GMC. This body style. What happened to it, bro?
It's selling.
This truck actually blows real cold AC. It's really, really clean. So we wanted to do a budget build for you guys at home. If you're trying to build something like this, you know how much money you can spend and how it can look after with the 10,000. So we still have 5,600 right now, minus the wheels. I don't know how much we're gonna pay for the wheels and tires. We need to decide if we want to put a camera or a sound system. It's hard.
Ooh, I'm leaning more towards the sound system.
You think sound system more better than a cam?
Oh yeah.
Comment down below and let us know if we should put a cam kit, push rod, springs, or a sound system. 2 little aids behind the seat. Nothing too crazy. Something that can be simple. So comment down below, let us know.
I'm leaning more towards the sound system because once you put cam in there, you know, you got to do the stall, you got to do the gears, all that crap. Yeah. The truck sounds real good.
It does.
It's real low. It's going to look real sporty with the wheels. And a nice sound system, I think just tops it off. And I'm amazed that $10,000, you know, it seems like a lot of money. That $10,000 really wasn't going to get us that much. It's gotten us a lot.
Comment down below, let us know if we should put a cam kit or a badass sound system done by your boy Manny. I custom tin an alarm, so make sure to comment down below and let us know what to put.
What do you think a cam kit when all that crap costs?
There's different prices, but if we're gonna put a cam kit, we're gonna put cam kit, stall, and some gears and a posi unit so we can do badass burnouts. If you want us to be doing badass burnouts and donuts, we need to put a cam kit, stall, tune, and all that bullshit. Or if y'all don't want to see donuts on the starter pack truck, we should put a little sound system. You can be a nice badass little cruiser.
I mean, they're both gonna be about the same price.
Maybe we'll get a little leftover and put a sound system. And then once we're done with this truck, we're gonna give it away in 1 week. And then if we have any money left over, y'all can take the truck and the money. We're on our way. It's 5 o'clock right now. There's a lot of traffic. It's gonna be what, 20-minute, 30-minute drive to Tires R Us? Let's go.
Out here, we just pulled up the Tires for us. Had to go exploring through some hoods of Houston.
I've been here in Houston for years and I've never been through there.
Magnolia and Denver Harbor, we had to go through Magnolia and Denver.
I feel like I'm in danger.
¿Qué onda, bro?
What's up, G? Chilling, bro.
What's up, down?
Chilling. Y'all want to check out the wheels? That's the one?
Yeah, that's the one right there.
Okay.
What you got? What you got? Oh, hell yeah, there you go. So we're doing a 20 by 11 in the rear.
20 by 9.5 in the front.
20 by 9.5.
On the back is still 15, 35, 20. And the back's a 275, 40, 20.
There you go. We were undecided if we should do Cosmes or welds, but most of the comments down below were welds. This is actually a nice sporty look. And that's what we wanted with the truck, because we do actually want to put a cam. But now Tiny said we should put a sound system. So I don't know. So comment down below, cam kit or sound system.
I go cam kit.
Cam kit?
I don't know.
Sound system, bro.
With a cam, it's just. I go with a cam.
It goes with the wheels.
I'll go with a cam. I'm good.
And besides that, we do what's on the gas racing. So
A cam kit would be nice.
yeah, of course, cam kit. We put a posi, some gears, cam kit, and then welds. And then fucking, we got a Corsa exhaust, and it's loud as fuck. Y'all hear it?
Yeah, it's going, yeah.
Watch it set up 100 right here.
What about the wheels for the Raptor?
Okay, the ones for the Raptor, they're right there.
There you go. Oh, since we were giving a lot of love to every other truck, we need to get the Raptor right. What kind of wheel is this?
It's a replica, 22 inch.
There you go.
You don't really see that replica.
Are these like RST wheels? Kind of like that for the new models?
For like the new models.
There you go. This is gonna look sick. I don't know if I'm more excited about the budget or the Raptor truck.
I don't know. Those wheels are sick.
They're gonna look nice.
So which one y'all want to do first?
Where you want to do the starter pack first? What else you got here, bro? You got a bunch of wheels.
I mean, we got a little bit of everything on here and there, you know, so.
You could pretty much work with anybody's budget.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not only that, but if you guys remember the lifted Z71 giveaway, the black one that we had with the red suspension, our boy Marvin here hooked us up with, they were American Forces 24x14 concave wheels. We didn't even have to wait. I hit him up. I was like, bro, I got you. On the spot. If you're looking for wheels on the spot, you know where to come. Tires R Us, where's that?
Tires R Us, we're located on 1450 North Wayside Drive. That's already know.
If you're not following him, go down there, go follow him. And if you need some wheels, replicas, American Forces, billets, whatever, he can get it.
Yes, sir.
Everything.
Yes, sir.
But just
All right.
tires.
Or tires, yeah.
Yeah, just tires. So you can get all of it.
Let's get it going with these
What we
welds.
doing, Beto? We gotta do those first or we gonna do those first?
No, we're gonna do these first.
Sandilla,
Venga su madre, tiene de todo aquí.
sí, un coco, mango.
Mango, echamos mango. Limoncito, huevo.
Estilo Monterrey.
Algo que ganamos en México ahorita.
Ok.
Sí.
Si no comemos, we don't work.
I had to go catch him.
Chica.
Un churrito de una jícama.
Que no falte el cocón.
No, mira.
Alex es como ese niño that you take to the store, right? You tell him get one thing, and he grabs like 5 or 6. That's Alex.
Sale caro otra vez
Hey.
esto.
What it is, what it ain't, what it was, ho. Fuck if you show me no love, ho. One thing for sure, you all in water, pussy niggas ain't thinking in blood, ho. Even family that play me soft know it's nothing to square off and get in that mud, ho. I'm a motherfucking point, see every bum that I drop ain't never been no dud, ho. Hit a tears, it don't matter how I feel, if I'm in the mix, ain't no toss up. Ain't no walls, bro, step in this ring, I'ma dance on your face like a salsa. Ricky shit, but my birth mission got me fucked up, you think I'm a falter. And I put that on my big mama Lola, R.I.P. to Mr. Walter. To Crooked 12, this is how I put my hands up. Ask me about reparations, bitch, get my land up. I speak for those that need jackers to comprehend us. Come fives, get bumpy, that ain't no repeat offenders. Hold up. Ain't no shit stolen. Got on my suit like I'm Big Pig, finna get my mouth fit golden. Calvin and Hearn, I represent like the South Side shit holding. Barilla, front running.
Looks good. Looks perfect. I'm really happy with the outcome. I think we went with the right wheels. Well Venturas, 20 by 9.5s in the front, 20 by 11s in the back. If you want your truck to look like this is the setup that you need to put. It's a 275 40, 20 in the front, 315 35, 20 in the back. You need to hit my boy Tires R Us. He can hook you up. These wheels are kind of not too hard to get. They're kind of easy. You just got to call them up. It took about a week, but maybe since we already got these, maybe there's more in stock. But it looks really good. Y'all check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it looks down in the comment section. To me, it looks great. I think it's the right pick. I actually want to drop it more, but then I don't want you guys, whoever wants the truck, I don't want you to have problems that it's rubbing here and there. And then if you're big like Tiny, well then it's gonna be fucking it up.
Correct.
You know what I'm saying?
Correct.
Because this guy's 6'4", 400 pounds.
That wheel setup looks sick though.
It does. I think it was the right pick, right?
Yeah. Luckily I gave you the idea.
Yeah. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. But if you want your truck to look just like this, you need to help my boy Marvin. You can get these real quick, right?
Pretty much.
He already knows the setup, so call him up. Be like, I want on the gas setup. This is pretty much how it's gonna look. Now that this one's done, it's time for the Chevy Raptor. Let's get this one out of the bay, put the Chevy Raptor in here, and see, yeah, start another one. Let's get it.
Panoramic crawling back, the sun touching the melanin. Everybody copying our queens injecting gelatin. Middle finger fun fact, they can't fuck with the melanin. Our Jesus and our triplet, these
Check out these badass bikes here. This is like a higher booster with the, looks like a 360, the 300 kit or 360 kit in the back. It's a wide ass tire. Look at that. Wide. We got another booster here. Looks a little old school with the chrome. Looks nice. Headers. I bet you that thing is really loud because it's the exit is right there. I bet you it's really loud. This one too. I remember when I had my bike, I had a Gixxer 1000. I had to sell it because I was acting a fool and I didn't want to bust my ass, so I sold it. I got rid of it. I actually had 2 of them. Those was back in the day when I was a little younger and crazy. I mean, I'm still crazy. I was gonna fall because I'll be hauling ass and shit, so it wasn't safe. I got rid of them. was just telling the guys, I bet you that thing is loud because the exhaust is like right there. It doesn't even have a muffler. It's just straight pipe.
Didn't you have a crotch rocket?
Well, I had two Jixus 1000s, but I sold them because I was crazy and I didn't want to fall. You know, I was gonna bust my ass. Now this one's gonna get some badass wheels. They're over here. They replicas, but they're like the RHT replicas. They look really nice. It's gonna set off the truck just the way it's supposed to look. Está caliente el pedo, hay que refrescarnos con el manguito, mira. Va a estar bueno el chorro la noche.
Un gancito.
Tiny, what you think about these wheels, bro?
Look good. It's a different look. It looks real good. About time you showed us some love.
Yeah, for you new guys tuning in, if Chevy would have made something, which they did, right? They made like a kind of like a Chevy Raptor, the TRX kind of style.
Yeah.
If Chevy would have made one, it would have looked just like this. So Chevy, call me up. I got you. If they would have made an SS clone single cab, but just like the gaps.
Correct.
They need to hire new people out there.
Like me.
Like you, yeah.
They hire me.
They go bankrupt. They hire Tiny. Tiny do nothing but smoke cigarettes. So remember, we need to get a lot of thumbs up, and Tiny's gonna start smoking.
That's right.
People saying it's bullshit.
No, we get a lot of likes and let's start working on it.
Look at him. I don't know.
Oh, and it's on 33s, right? What tire did you choose? 33s.
Yes. If you got a Chevy Raptor just like this one, hit up my boy Marvin. I know everybody's gonna be having these wheels now because they're sick. They're not the usual replicas that you see. Even those with a low pro look sick. Imagínate la pinche Clifford, la red tampon a la verga con eso. Bien, tirando aceite en la
Terry disrespect my truck.
el chorro abierto.
Ya llegaron las luces, Las original.
Está toda chunta porque, mira, ya trae LED de enfrente y atrás no. Está toda chocada de un lado. Las luces están bien feas. La troca se corre y va chueca la verga, güey. ¿Qué pedo, qué?
Todos lados, güey. No, yo ando bien.
Bro, this truck looks fucking sick, bro. This thing looks fucking nasty, bro. I should have put wheels a long time ago. I was stalling, you know what I'm saying? I was stalling because I don't want nobody to jack my truck. Now, I'm not gonna use it no more. We're just not gonna use this truck no more. I'm gonna take it home because if I leave a truck Perrillo be taking my trucks on dates and stuff like that. Bro,
look what I found here.
they gone. I already smoked that shit.
Stop it.
Oh, that one has a little bit?
Stop it, boy. Stop. Thank you, Jesus.
Oh, for the lock?
For the lock.
But y'all motherfuckers trying to steal my shit, just know that this truck is famous. If you steal it, somebody's gonna recognize it, somebody's gonna tag us and shit. So, you better not steal it.
You didn't drive it much because you were afraid they were gonna steal it. Hold on.
Yeah. All right, right here. So, we got the trucks ready to go. We got the wheels on the starter pack truck. We got the wheels on the Chevy Raptor. My boy Marvin here had a little surprise for me. My boy AB showed up. What's up, player? Chilling, bro. What's up, homie? If y'all don't know, my boy Marvin also does music.
We started a record label called True Records. We started like about a year ago.
Okay.
So we're getting there, you know.
You got a bunch of groups and stuff like that.
We have a few groups. Okay. Yeah. So we're kind of pushing
You did a
up.
song for my boy Scarface.
Yeah, actually, yeah. So if y'all know Scarface, the Michelada guy, my boy here did a corrido for Scarface, and it's popping.
It's Scarface.
It's popping. It's popping. You know my favorite song? You know which one it is? Drew. Yeah.
Oh, that's the one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the rhythm. I like all that shit. So y'all want to hit it?
Empecé yo en el negocio a los 15 años, no mezclando las onzas, no tuve de otra opción más que jalar los chuecos. A mi madre y abuela que en el cielo se encuentran nunca se olvida, esto lo hago por ustedes, llevo siempre el recuerdo. Compa Tony, mi padrino, Pac-Man es mi primo, por ellos saben que aquí estoy al tiro, siempre sigo firme por lo mío. Un consejo de los grandes, nunca abusar de la suerte, el muchacho se distingue entre vaya gente reservada. 2015 me torcieron 5 cuadros, 35 años, pero gracias a mi santería rebajados fueron nadie. Pero salí cuando de la escuela fui graduado, nunca ocupé de nadie, por lo mío me he chingado.
Hey, remember I put that song the other day on the retro? Like Drew? That bitch jam. So, we got something cooking, right, my boy? We got something cooking. He already kind of had something, and we were gonna actually record it. When he did that corrido, he was barely starting. I think he got a little bit more rhythm right now. He got a little better voice right now. So we cooking something, and once it's ready, we're gonna make a video. We're gonna do all that good shit. Kind of like the On the Gas song from Mercedes. So it's gonna be another banger.
Ahí está, viejo.
¿Para cuándo? ¿Para cuándo sale?
Para cuando usted quiera.
Pues,
Nomás que digas, pa.
antes de que se acabe el año, it's gonna be a banger. You already know it's gonna be a banger. My boy already got some nice lyrics. I heard it already. It's good. He's gonna refine it, and then we're gonna do a video shoot. Either we'll probably go to the track. You know, we'll probably go to Crosby. We got a monster truck now.
We got a monster truck
We
there.
got a monster truck. We go to the track, do some burnouts, do some donuts, some racing. I don't know, maybe jump a rio or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, Perrios.
Maybe we can probably put them on stage at one of the shows.
Oh yeah. So we are October 15. October Truck Madness is going down at Houston Raceway. It's coming up, bro. Are you ready?
I hope they're ready.
It's going down. You know, our shows are the biggest show in town. They're actually the biggest truck event in the nation.
Correct.
How many
correct.
people we had last time?
15,000.
15,000. That's a lot of motherfuckers. October 15 is going down. We are gonna have a DJ. DJ Paul's gonna be on the mix, and then of course we're gonna have a stage, and my boy's gonna be playing. We have other groups, right?
We have other groups, absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
So we can be able to take them there to the show, man. So everybody, make sure you guys pull up. The whole True Records family is gonna be up there, man. We have
True
we have
Records.
some bangers coming on.
True
the way.
Records.
True
So we're
Records.
gonna put the link right here so I can go follow him. Go follow my boy. What's the Instagram, my boy?
AB, that, Quintanilla 3.
There you go. Drew, my boy sings Drew, which is this one right now. That bitch jams. It sounds good. It sounds good on a sound truck, bro. I put it on my truck with the sound system. That bitch was banging pretty good. So YouTube, yeah, it's on YouTube,
So
yeah.
make sure you have to check it out.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys subscribe on YouTube, man. True Records as well.
True Records. How much? Now we haven't talked about the prices. We got 5,600 still left over for the budget build. How much are these wheels? For anybody looking for some wheels like this, how much are the wheels on the Maroon truck?
Like on the wheels, those you're looking at around like 2,600.
2,600.
Wheels
Okay.
and tires.
If you're looking for some wheels, some Well Venturas with the nice tires and everything, you can come over here and get the wheels done. My boy can get them quick.
And that was actually the stagger fitment, 20 by 11s and 20 by
Yeah, okay.
9.5.
Is there a price difference or is they all the same price? 20, 20
It's
by
pretty
9.
much almost around the same price.
5,600 minus how much?
26.
26.
26. How much we got?
3,000.
3,000. So that means we got $3,000 to play. Either we're gonna put a sound system or we're gonna put a cam kit. I don't know. Everybody wants to put a cam kit.
Gotta chop up the block.
Yeah, cam kit. What you think, bro? Sound system or cam?
I'll say cam.
Cam? Cam? Sound system? También.
Esos son de los de Alex, ¿verdad?
Anda bien grifote este vato, güey. Alright, so we're gonna pay up right now. We got 3,000 left.
Shout out to my boy Marvin from Tires for Us. He came in clutch, got us the wheels for the Raptor, for the budget build at a good price. Make sure you hit him up for all your tire and wheel needs. But for that, we're gonna pay and we're gonna get back to the shop.
Skeleton, 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 skeleton.